The first question is, what is edible as a young shoot, but is better food for pandas when it's grown bigger? The correct answer is A, bamboo. Question 2. What is a leek? The correct answer is D, a mild onion. Question 3. What is the primary ingredient of a Swiss fondue? The correct answer is D, cheese. Question 4. A grown-up male cow is called a what? The correct answer is B, bull. Question 5. Which fruit is picked while green because it continues to ripen after picking? The correct answer is C, banana. Question 6. What nationally named potato salad called Kartoffelsalat comes with bacon bits? The correct answer is A, German salad. Question 7. Where am I most likely to enjoy Rogan Josh, whose name is Persian for hot oil? The correct answer is A, Kashmir. Question 8. Max Hamburger Restaurant or AB. Max Hamburger is what country's leading burger chain, even though it discourages customers from ordering heavy carbon footprint menu items like hamburgers? The correct answer is C, Sweden. Question 9. Where would I most likely eat a gelatin-like coconut milk pudding called haupia, especially as a topping on wedding cakes? The correct answer is D, Hawaii. And the last question is, in 2003, Immaculate Baking Co. attempted to set a record by making a 100-feet version of what snack? The correct answer is C, cookie. I hope you enjoyed this quiz and make sure to share your score in the comments.
Please subscribe and press the bell to get notified about our newest quizzes.